Yo, welcome back to my YouTube channel.
Oh my god, bro. Oh, hell no, man.
Welcome back to my YouTube channel. Today, we're going to be making mystery drinks at school. So I separated it with non-carbonated drinks and carbonated drinks. So let's begin these experiments. Okay, you see I've drank some of this already. The first one, since it's like strawberry, I'm gonna stick with the strawberry theme. And we're gonna add some Coca-Cola. Now I don't really like Coca-Cola, but I hope, oh shite. I didn't think it was gonna be this messy, but let's go for it. Oh shite. Okay. Set this on the floor now. Kind of spilled my Chromebook, which isn't very good. Okay. Next, to make it like a little like different, you know, and like a little bit more sweet, we're gonna add a little bit more Gatorade until it gets to the top. Now let's try it. This is kind of good. Wait, actually, this is really good. Tastes like an icy, but I also don't really like Coca-Cola, so that's the only thing that's throwing it off. Maybe if you use like Sprite, oh, that would taste good. But I like this. I rate this a solid 6.7 out of 10. Let's move on to the next one. Now for the blue mixture. Now for this, I really want like a blue kind of thing. So we're gonna do blue and purple theme. You can hear the Sep team, they're really good. Shout out to the Sep team. Now we're gonna add some fruit puncher, bubbler flavor. Now this is like purple, so I think this is gonna make like a cool looking mixture. Wait, this is low-key cool. It's like purple, bro. Alright, I really like how this one looks. We're gonna add some of white Gatorade. Lastly, we're gonna mess this all up by adding Dr. Pepper. Just to get a little more carbonated. This is actually my first time trying Dr. Pepper. I kind of like it. But this is actually really good. Let's add this. Oh, but you ruined the color, bro. Now let's try this. It's kind of like, actually, wait, this is good. This is better than the first one. What am I talking about? This is really good. It's like a 7. No, I got rated higher. Probably like a 8 out of 10. Okay, we're gonna make 2 more drinks. Now, we got the white Gatorade. For this, I'm gonna just go rogue. Do random ass stuff. I'm gonna add some apple juice and add bubbler in Arizona. Bro, so this is probably gonna taste amazing because of this. Ugh. Just mix it a little bit. Alright, let's try this. Oh, the apple juice ruined it, bro. Worst one. This is like a 2.1 out of 10, bro. See, I wouldn't finish this. The other 2 I would actually drink. This one I wouldn't. Oh, I shouldn't have added the apple juice. You see, I love apple juice alone, but added to stuff, that's terrible. I haven't had Arizona in like a year, bro. Wait, they're not that good. I remember them being so much better, bro. That's good. Wait, this is bro, I like this. This is my order. This side best, this side worst. All of them were good except for this one. This one is terrible, bro. These are pretty good. Let's have some fun and shake them up. Ooh. I appreciate you guys for watching this video. Like and subscribe.